Hello everybody, my name is Melissa Faust from stampwithmelissa.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create this super cute card using Stampin' Up's Yuletide Pasture stamp set. So let's get started. So first I've got my card base in shaded spruce, and all my measurements will be on my blog post. And then I've got some Whisper White and some Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere the Designer Series paper to the Whisper White and then onto the card base. Then I'm going to bring in a scrap of Whisper White and my stamp here. I'm going to use Memento black ink because I'm going to color with Stampin' Blends. So I'm going to go ahead and get this inked up and stamp down and then color it with the blends. So the blends I'm using today are Cinnamon Cider, Cherry Cobbler, and Ivory. Great, and now that he's all colored, I'm going to bring in my card base again and my seal adhesive, and I'm going to go ahead and run some adhesive on the back. And then I'm going to position him right about here. Then I'm going to bring in a scrap of crumb cake and the Happy Christmas sentiment. I'll bring back in my ink here. Go ahead and ink this up and stamp it down. Then I'm going to use my paper snips. I'm going to go ahead and cut right in the middle here, and then on the sides to make a little banner. Alright, and then I'm going to take some of the sheer ribbon and I'm going to run a little bit of seal here to help it stick. And then I'm going to pop up the sentiment using some of the mini dimensionals. And I'm going to place the sentiment right here. Alright, and then I have an inside piece right here. This is for the inside of our card, and I'm going to pull out the black ink again, the Memento, and ink up the stamp that says "Wishing you peace now and always," and I'm going to go ahead and stamp that right here. Then I'm going to adhere it to the inside of the card. Alright, and there you have it. There are two super cute Christmas cards made with the Yuletide Pasture from Stampin' Up. Thank you for watching.